Welcome to this tutorial on how to leverage trade on Robinhood. Leveraging trade allows you to borrow money from Robinhood to buy more stocks, increasing your potential gains, but also increasing your potential losses. First, you need to understand the concept of margin trading, which is essentially borrowing money from a broker to buy more stocks. Robinhood offers a feature called margin investing, which allows you to borrow up to twice the value of the cash in your account. To get started, make sure you have a Robinhood account and that you have enabled margin investing. You can do this by going to the account settings and selecting the option to enable margin investing. Once you have enabled margin investing, you can start leveraging trade by buying stocks on margin. To do this, simply place a buy order for the stock you want to purchase, and Robinhood will automatically lend you the money to cover the purchase, up to the amount you are eligible to borrow. It is essential to keep in mind that leveraging trade increases your potential losses as well as your potential gains. If the stock price drops, you may be required to deposit more cash or sell some of your stocks to cover the loss. To manage your risk, it is crucial to set a budget and stick to it, and to closely monitor your account balance and the value of your stocks. You should also consider setting stop-loss orders, which automatically sell your stocks if they fall below a certain price. Another key concept to understand is the maintenance margin, which is the minimum amount of equity you need to maintain in your account to avoid a margin call. If your account balance falls below the maintenance margin, you will receive a margin call, requiring you to deposit more cash or sell some of your stocks. In conclusion, leveraging trade on Robinhood can be a powerful tool for increasing your potential gains, but it also increases your potential losses. By understanding the concept of margin trading, enabling margin investing, and managing your risk, you can use leveraging trade to your advantage. Remember to always set a budget, monitor your account balance, and consider setting stop-loss orders to minimize your potential losses.